Hello everybody, this is Abhirami from Tyagarajar College of Engineering, Madurai. In this video lecture 3, we learn how to convert infix expression to postfix expression with the parenthesis given in the expression. Initially the stack is empty, the output string is also null, the input string is of type string, and we are processing the string character by character until the null character is reached. Here the first character is opening parenthesis, it gets pushed into the stack. Then the next iteration, the character A is seen and it is of type operand, so it gets added to the output string. Then the next character is star, it is of operator, so it gets pushed into the stack. Then the next character is B, it gets appended to the output string. Then the next character is closed parenthesis. Whenever closed parenthesis is seen, the stack item has to be popped until opening parenthesis is seen. So in this case, star gets popped and it gets added to the output string. This opening parenthesis is also popped, but it should not be appended to the output string. In the next iteration, plus the operator is seen and it gets pushed into the stack. Then the character C is seen and it has to be appended to the output string. Then null character is reached, so the stack items has to be popped out until the stack becomes empty. So in this case, plus gets popped out and it gets added to the output string. So the final answer is AB star C plus. In the next example, let's have multiple opening and closed parentheses. Initially the stack is empty, the output string is also null. The first character is opening parenthesis, it has to be pushed. And the second character is also opening parenthesis, it has to be pushed. In the next iteration, the character is A, it is of type operand, so it has to be appended to the output string. Then the character is plus, it has to be pushed, and the status of stack is like this. Then the next character is B, it has to be appended to the output string. The next character is star, it has to be pushed. Before pushing, we have to compare the precedence of star and the stack top operator, which is plus. Star has greater precedence, so it gets pushed into the stack. Next character is C, it gets appended to the output string. So the output string has ABC now. Then comes the closed parenthesis. Whenever closed parenthesis is seen, we have to pop the stack items until the opening parenthesis is seen. So star gets popped out, it gets appended to the output string. Plus gets popped out, it gets appended to the output string. Then this parenthesis also gets popped out, but it should not be added here. The status of stack remains like this. Then comes this plus character, it has to be pushed. Then comes the opening parenthesis, so it has to be pushed like this. Then comes the operand D, it has to be added to the output string. Then comes the minus operator, it has to be pushed. Then comes the E operand, it has to be appended to the output string. Then comes the closed parenthesis. We have to do pop until the opening parenthesis is seen. So minus gets popped and it gets added here, and this character is also popped out. Then we have to see this closed parenthesis. So we have to pop until we see one more opening parenthesis. So plus gets popped and it gets added to the output string, and this opening parenthesis is also popped out. Then we have come across the null character, the stack is also empty. So this is the final expression A, B, C star plus D, E minus plus. Thank you.